Hi, I have here a quick little example from a Shopify store. Setting up Shopify stores takes work, and you want it to go well. And if you pay additional attention, you probably implement some of the pre-installed like WordPress or Google tags that they have. And those are nice and they appear nice on the surface, but there are some problems with them. One is when you follow along with the directions, you often end up like this situation here. We have multiple Google analytics going on, which can be overcome, except in this case, we see it's not going well because we have 3 page views, in which case there's just 1 page view. So you go home and you say, hey mom, I got 3 views on my website today, but the reality here is that you have 1 view. And so the whole thing is going to be misinterpreted and the bidding is going to be way off in Google. So this is just one of the many examples of problems with the pre-installed Shopify issues.